So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and install applications on your LG Smart TV. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic for the most part, and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your smart TV, and you want to go ahead and turn it on. You want to make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi and all that. Then you want to go and click on the home button on your remote, and you want to open up the launcher bar. So once it's opened up, you want to go to the LG content store. So it's going to go ahead and open up the content store inside of your TV, and you want to wait for it to load. This is going to take a little bit of time for it to load up. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and browse or search for the application inside of the LG store. So you can browse by category, you can browse by search, you can just search for it on the search bar and you can search for it that way. So you do have that type of capability doing either way. Then you want to go and select that application you want, and there's going to be a little install button. All you're going to have to do is click on that little install button that pops up, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So go ahead and install that particular application, and then when it's done installing, you can go ahead and open up that app, and you're going to be basically good to go from that point. You're going to be able to click on it, you're going to be able to open it up, and that's all you're really going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.